Hello everyone and welcome back for another Lunch and Learn. I got John back over here.
Hello.
How you doing, John?
Doing great. How are you,
Good, good.
Simon?
I'm great. All right,
Good to be
today,
back.
awesome.
Sorry.
Thank you, John. Today we are going to cover something pretty cool that I've kind of discovered, and that is how to stream an app from your phone to another device. And I'm going to show you two different methods today that I've found that work extremely well that allow us to basically show our small little phone screen on a bigger display. It's really simple to do and use, and I'm excited to show you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here. Give me just one moment, guys. Let's see here.
Hey, Simon.
Yeah.
If we have any questions, let them know
Yes.
in the chat. I'll be here in the background helping out and helping you as well. So
Awesome. Thank you, John. Let me go ahead and share my screen here. Give me 1 second to go here. There we are. Okay. All right. So, here's our website there. There's one of our drones flying around. A couple things about what I'm about to show you. What we're going to do is we're actually going to screencast our phone to a computer. And there's going to be two methods I'm going to show you. One method allows you to just display the screen, which is basically mirroring your phone here to my computer or TV. The other method actually allows us to not just mirror the screen, but also control the phone from a computer, which is really, really cool. So I'm going to show you both methods. Now, a couple prerequisites to do this. So far, this only works with Android phones, and it has to be with a Windows-based PC. Now, there may be ways to do this with iPhone and Mac, and if you guys know how to do that, please put it in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback on that. So let me go ahead and show you here. And actually, I'm realizing you guys can't see my whole screen. Let me make it so that you guys can see my toolbar here because it will be necessary to see. There it is. You should be able to see my entire screen now. Okay, so the first method is we're going to use a built-in Microsoft program called Connect. Now, for whatever reason, Microsoft doesn't include this as a standard installed program on all PCs. Some have it, some don't. To see if you have it, you can simply go down to the search icon in the bottom left here. And you can, let me move out of the way here, wrong way. You can type in Connect. And if it shows up as a Connect app, you know you have it. In most cases, though, from what I've seen, most modern, recent Windows 10 PCs, it's not included. So let me show you how to install it. It's very simple. We'll click on the very bottom left here, we'll click on our Windows icon. We'll click on our settings. And what I'm about to show you will allow us to mirror anything from your phone to your computer. It doesn't just have to be in Drone app. This is going to work with any application, but it's extremely useful for our drone app like our Autel Evo 2 Explorer app. All right, so once we're in our PC settings, we can scroll down and we're going to go to our apps settings right here. Then we're going to click on apps and features. And then right here is the button you want to click on, optional features. Click on optional features. Wait for that to open up. Now, I've already installed this app, and you'll see it right here, it's called Wireless Display. But you can, if you don't have it, you can search for it right here and just type in wireless display. And you'll see it's going to show up right here. You can click on it and it's going to automatically install it. Once that wireless display app is installed, you can search for it in your search box right here. You can search Connect. That's the name of the app. And we can click on it and you're going to see this screen right here. So it's going to say the name of your computer. In my case, it's whatever was generated automatically, desktop, whatever, is ready for you to connect wirelessly. Then we got to go to our phone. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect my phone first, and I'm going to show you the steps that I took to connect. That way you guys can see it. It's incredibly easy.
Hey, Simon.
Yeah.
Excuse me. Sorry about that.
Go ahead.
No questions in the chat at the moment, but this is pretty cool stuff, man.
Yeah, I've kind of honestly, I discovered this by having to need to use it for our lunch and learns and demos, but found out that it's really easy. It's actually extremely useful. So right now you can see, here's my phone. You guys can see my entire phone. I'm able to move it around. I can see all my apps. I can go to the Autel Explorer app, and I can see it in basically full screen. So how did I get to show my phone on my computer? Well, it's actually super easy. I'm using a Samsung Galaxy device here, but this applies for most Android phones. Some phones may have a different name for this, but if you scroll down from your notifications bar at the top here, and you'll have all your options here for your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth, your rotation mode, airplane mode, etc. On mine, it's called Smart View, and you can see right now at the bottom left, pointing at it, but you guys can't see it. Let me see if I can show it with my mouse. Yeah, there it is. You can see it says desktop and the name of my computer. So that's where we connect to our computer. You just click on it, it'll show up with your computer name, and as soon as you click on it, it's going to start sharing your screen. It's that easy. So it's extremely, extremely easy to use. And this allows us to share our screen. So if we go back to our Autel app, check this out. I got my drone on over here. I can click on camera, and there's our camera view. There it is outside. And it's right in front of me here.
The home point has been reset.
You can hear the audio.
Are you going to take
through your
off?
Computer as well. I'm going to go ahead and take off here.
Oh, you are? Awesome.
So there we are. We're flying around. You can hear our obstacle avoidance kicking in. Might be a little loud, sorry. And you can see it moving around. And the quality is actually
it would be loud enough,
good.
Right? Yeah.
Let me see if I can turn that down. There we are. And the quality is excellent. So here we are, behind our shop, flying around. And there's very little delay in the quality, and you can see everything on your display here. And I'm also viewing it on my phone as well. Let me go ahead and land. Now, a couple cool things about the Smart View or the screencast feature. Let's turn that off. Okay. You can also stream directly to most smart TVs. So pretty much every TV you buy off the shelf from a store nowadays has this feature built in. So we can stream directly to a TV. For example, on our TV that we have here, it's a Vizio TV. We can just click on input, and it has a screen sharing option, and we can stream directly from our phone to our TV. Now, a couple things about this. Like I said, there's a couple prerequisites. As far as I can see, excuse me. Excuse me. We're doing this live.
God bless you.
Thank you. There's so much pollen outside. I think taking off with the drone blew it right in my face. It started sneezing.
I was wondering why we were hearing the birds chirping earlier in the
stream.
stream.
The door's open right next to me.
It's actually great. I mean, I'm inside, but I feel like I'm with you out there. It's amazing.
Well,
what great technology.
And we got perfect timing because it was
nice.
raining all day, but it's just stopped raining just in time for our lunch and learn here, so that's great.
Well, I just tell a quick story. The other day, we were kind of talking about this, and I was like, how do you do it? And he goes, you know what? I'm going to show you on the stream. So thanks for not only showing me, but now we have this on our channel because this is great.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Awesome. So a couple things about this screen mirroring. There's one kind of crucial thing to know about this, and that is both the phone and the device that you're streaming to must be on the same Wi-Fi network. So that is very important to note. I have tested this using a hotspot, and it does work pretty well too. So you can use it even if you don't have a wired network inside. So that is something to keep in mind. So this works really well. Now, I wouldn't recommend actually flying the drone from the streamed video, just because if you accidentally walk too far away from your Wi-Fi connection, it's possible to lose the signal to your camera. And I still recommend using the direct feed to your phone controller rather than this. But this is great to demonstrate it to people, to live stream it. You can share it. You can, just as I'm showing you guys now, you can stream it to everybody, and it makes it super easy to use. And the quality is pretty good. It's actually really, really good. You can put it on a big screen TV, and it works great. And again, guys, if you're just joining us now, this stream will be posted as a recorded version right after we go live, so you can see all the steps that I took to connect my phone to my computer here.
Hey, Simon.
Yeah.
So we do have a question in the chat.
Awesome. Yeah.
Not
what's the question?
100% related to this, because
No
it
problem.
does. I'll read it, and I can answer like the first portion of it, but I'm going to need you to take over. So with the AG-122, which is the Helio drone, not the Autel that we're talking about at the moment, but
Right.
Remote being Android-based, but the transmitter on the AG-122 is a Hearlink system. Does it have the ability to, so it's not Android, it's actually PC-based, have
Right.
the availability to screencast? This would be great for a field day when doing demonstrations for potential clients to view the upfront. So I guess my question to you, like I answered a little bit
hang
in
on.
there.
1 second.
Uh-oh, I got to go get the drone before.
Guys, it started pouring rain outside with the drone out there. Good thing it was
All
nearby.
right, well, we see the camera, the drone right now in your shirt,
Yeah.
as well as the remote, and you in the bottom corner. So
Yeah.
this is live, folks.
It is,
Thank
it
you
is
for
live.
being
Here I am.
here. And if
you
you're
guys
watching
can
on
see the
a
rain right
replay,
there.
yeah,
All right, let's set this
you
over
need
here.
to join us on the next one. So I guess the question to you is it possible? I know that's off topic, so we can come back to it if you want.
no problem.
But I
I
guess
do wanna
How
answer
do
it.
we screen the Hearlink, or can we, with our Helios?
So from the Hearlink controller, that's a really good question. Now that I've understood how this system works, I want to try it with the Hearlink controller. It should work.
So.
It should work because it does have
Okay.
a full Android-based system on board, and I believe it also supports this kind of screencasting, so it should absolutely work. I don't see why not, but I haven't tested it yet. Next time around, I will. Of course, we can stream directly from our ground station PC like I've done in our demos in the past. That's not an issue. But I believe we can also stream the Hearlink controller. Like I said, I haven't tested it yet, but I don't see why it shouldn't work. It is a fully Android-based
I think we could pull that
system.
off. Yeah.
Yeah,
I think
absolutely.
Possibly. We'll try.
Absolutely.
I mean, at least, right?
That's right.
We'll let you know.
Now, I do want to show you guys another really awesome way. Let me disconnect from my computer right now. This is so cool. So I just discovered this feature. Again, there's some limitations to this. This feature only works, as far as I can tell, this is a Samsung exclusive feature. Samsung phones have an option called Link to My PC. And it's also in the drop-down menu from the top, just like I showed you before. Actually, let me go ahead and show you first. Hang on, guys. Let me pull it up. Oh,
Mark, thank you for the question, as Simon's changing that.
Yeah, hang on,
And,
guys. I'm having a issue here showing it. Let me see if I can... There it is. Okay. So there's an option called Link to My PC. This is another built-in Windows feature. I believe this also works with Mac. I haven't tried it yet. I don't have a Mac on hand, but I believe it's also compatible with Mac. This feature, super cool. So it kind of does the same thing. Now, let me open up the Link to My PC option here. This is the app that you see on your computer. So it says Link to Windows is off on your Android phone. Okay. I'm going to go on my Android phone right here. I'm going to pull down my drop-down menu right here. And there's an option right next to the screencast option to link to Windows. Let me go ahead and hit that button. This feature is so cool. I actually had no idea that this was an option. So let's go ahead and try to link here. Let's try again. Should connect here. Again, this feature also allows us, there it is, to connect to our phone, but this gives us more options. First of all, you can see, here's my phone. It's showing everything on my phone. I can see my messages, my camera, everything, and all my apps. But right here is the best feature, the open phone screen. If I hit that button, check this out. Oh.
Hey, Simon.
Yeah.
I think we should definitely put all the links. Oops, sorry.
Hold on. Oh, hold on. My phone's off. 1 second. Let's try that one more time. And what was that, John? There it is.
Oh, I was going to say we should definitely put all the links to all these different softwares that we've been using that you found, and any other tutorials in our own comments.
I agree. Here's the beauty, though. All this software is already built into your computer. I didn't have to install anything. So again, it just has to be with specific devices and phones. Here we are.
Perfect.
Again, we're streaming our phone. Okay? This is even easier to use than the Connect app. Again, this is a Samsung-specific feature, but here's the coolest part. You can see my mouse on the screen here. Check this out. I can click on it and control everything from my computer. I'm not using my phone. I can go in and change the modes. I can do everything on my phone from my computer. I can control
Okay, you said
everything
before this stream I was going to go, wow.
Yeah, I hadn't shown you this, John, and I think this is such an awesome feature. So we can actually control everything from our PC. So that means we can even screen share or remote desktop this and have this control remotely. I can go up here and change my camera view. I can go to thermal mode, for example. I can, here I am, thermal. And I can control everything right from my computer. But I think the best option with this is the fact that I can actually create my missions from my computer. So I can use a mouse to go in and create missions. I can create projects right here, and it allows me full control of my phone from my computer, and it works super well. There's like no delay, and it's incredibly easy to use. Honestly, I had no idea this feature existed. I'm going to be using this all the time now. I mean, this is so cool. It lets me use everything on my phone, and not just the Autel Explorer app, but this goes for everything. Everything on my phone I have full access to. Again, I'm using a Samsung device here. You guys can see it right here. And you can see the screen is off right now, but it's showing on my computer. So it will dim the display on my phone, but if I just double tap on it, you guys can see the same screen on my phone as on my computer. You guys getting that effect. So
that's crazy.
I have them side by side here, totally wirelessly, streaming my my phone to my PC, and I can do everything from here. Control my entire aircraft and phone from my computer. So I just really wanted to share that with you guys because I thought that was just the coolest feature I've seen, and I would fly a little more, but it is raining outside, of course. So such a cool option here to be able to use your phone to your computer to control your phone and show the camera on a much bigger screen.
Now, Simon,
yeah, go ahead.
I feel silly. Is it only Android that can be controlled by the computer? Because there's an Apple. Did I miss something?
So I'm sure there are ways to accomplish this with an Apple device. I don't have an iPhone to test it with. I've done some research,
I do.
And as far as I can tell, unfortunately, this is an Android-only option. And I could be wrong, guys. If I am wrong, please post it in the comments. Like I said, this specific option called Link to My PC, as far as I can tell, is brand new and unfortunately right now exclusive to Samsung devices. So it's not even Android. It's a Samsung exclusive device.
Okay.
Now what I showed you before with the Connect app where it's just screencasting, that should work with just about any Android device and just about any PC. And I think there are options to stream to a Mac as well, but it involves installing some third-party software. I've seen some options out there.
Wow.
But yeah, again, super cool that you guys can do this, and the fact that I can control my app from my PC is just the coolest thing in the world to me, and it works seamlessly.
I'm having a hard time. Like, which one should I look at? You like the big one of you
I
or
know.
the little one of
That's
you?
why I just
because
turned it off. It was
they're
pretty
off by a
confusing.
small margin. So
right, there is a little
joke
bit
one.
of a delay.
But seriously though, if you have a cracked screen like me and you're on the fence, because honestly, I have been wondering with all the drone stuff that we're doing, like, should I switch? Should I not? So for you to bring this up and us to share it on stream, first, thank you. And Mark, thank you for your question earlier as well. Thanks for being here. Hope all's well's up there. And I just wanted to say thanks, Simon, because I'm on that fence. So the fact that you went back over it real quick. So it's got to be a Samsung to make this work, what we're doing today.
Right.
If you know of other ways to do this with an iPhone or anything like that, feel free to leave us a comment, say hi to us, and let us know at hsc-uav.com. The chat's open. The phone lines are open. We're here. And we'll be happy to test that out and maybe bring that to you as well. Because, yes, we specialize in drones, commercial drones, that is, but all things technology, Simon and I love. So our weekly Lunch and Learn is here for us to bring you some cool stuff. That's what we want to do. So
awesome.
Give us some ideas. Not a problem. Thank you.
Thank you, John. And again, this is just something that I kind of just discovered tinkering around. I had no idea that it was possible to use this, and maybe I've been sleeping on these features, but this is the first time I saw that you can actually control your phone from your computer like this. And it's so easy, and it's all stuff that's already built into your phone. Samsung is the second most popular phone, Apple to Android, basically. So most people are going to have this option right at your fingertips, already available. You can use this with any application on your phone. Like I said, it's not just your drone, but you can see I'm scrolling through every single app I have. I can control everything from my computer, which is just awesome. Such a cool option. And that's really about it. That's all I wanted to show you guys. It's something that I kind of discovered and found to be extremely useful for kind of showing my, my phone
Simon.
on a screen, and you can always open it up right here, and it's seamless. I mean, it's just so easy to use. So, guys, if you do have any other questions or comments or have other ways that you guys have accomplished what I'm doing now with maybe an Android phone or something along those lines, please let me know in the comments. And again, I had a lot of fun showing this to you guys. I think
Simon.
Yeah, go ahead.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
We have a fun comment to share in
awesome.
the chat. So it's a bunch of like LOL face emojis, I guess, right? But it says, and it's from Mark, and he was just with us at training, right? And he's back up north now, so hope the weather's okay up there, bro. But it says, so glad we have Samsungs.
Yeah, there you go. You nailed it.
All right.
And guys, for that question regarding the HearLink controller for the spraying drones, I'm going to be testing that ASAP. I really want to know if it works with this feature. I think it will. So if it does...
If it does, we have a topic for next week.
And for the next demo, we're going to have live FPV video from the drone. So I think actually for the next demo, now that I've kind of perfected making this work with the computer and our streaming software, we'll have air-to-air footage too, from the Autel to the spraying drone, which I know it's something we've been talking about forever about doing. So we're finally going to do that, John.
It's so fun for me because I work, remotely, and I feel like I'm with you guys all the time.
Well,
it's
you're going to
so
feel like you're
comforting.
there because it's going to be
you.
a live stream again.
It's great.
Awesome, guys. Thanks for the comments.
Man.
We're going to go
Simon.
ahead and close it out here. Again, if you guys have any other comments or questions or anything about what we just showed you today, this was just kind of a fun video that I wanted to show you guys for a really, really useful feature. So, again, thanks again, guys. We'll close it out here.
And sorry about the snow up north, Mark.
Yeah, thanks, Mark, again for joining us. We'll see you guys again next time. Again, every Tuesday at noon Eastern Time. Don't forget to visit our website, hscuav.com. And
Nope,
we'll see you guys.
wait.
Yeah.
HSC-UAV.com.
Sorry, -uav.com. That's right. You can see it on my hat. You can see it on my shirt. Somehow I still got it wrong.
Bye.
All right, guys. Thanks again. Bye.